Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing a delicious ice cream cone. So come join us, it's going to be super easy and fun.
Alright guys, so let's get started drawing the ice cream cone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come down and we're going to leave some space, and in the middle we're going to draw a big curve like a rainbow. So there we have our curve like the rainbow or like a circle. This is the ice cream scoop. So we could continue with the ice cream scoop and we'll do this part at the bottom that usually drips, the yummy part. And what we're gonna do is on this side, we're gonna make a curve that looks like the letter C. And on the right side, we're gonna do a backward C. And then we continue with the curves at the bottom. So for the bottom, instead of a C, it might look like a U or a hill that goes down. So right here we'll do one. It looks like the letter U or like a hill that goes down. We'll go back up again with a little mountain peak or a hill peak, and then go back and do that same U. And we're gonna repeat the same thing throughout the whole bottom for the ice cream. The only thing is on this one, I wanna make a little drop like the ice cream is dripping down the cone. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a big curve that goes down and just goes back up. And you guys can make it really long or short. I'm just doing a small one right here. And I'm just gonna bring it back up to a peak and continue with the little scoops. So there we have our ice cream. Oh, I can already see it. It looks so yummy. So let's continue. What we're gonna do is we can make the cone now. So for the cone, we're gonna make two diagonal lines that reach at the bottom or meet at the bottom. So right where we stopped the C, I'm gonna start my diagonal line. So right here, and we're just gonna make one diagonal line that almost touches all the way at the bottom of the paper. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side, a diagonal line, and I'm gonna stop at that same height. So we stop at the same height, and what we could do to connect it is we could make a little smiley face or a little letter U. And there we have our ice cream cone. So guys, we're almost there. All we have is the cute little face we're gonna draw on the ice cream and some whipped cream and a cherry. So let's continue. Let's do the whipped cream. So for the whipped cream, we're gonna make little curves that come to a point. So right here, I'm gonna make a curve that connects to the ice cream, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. And we're just gonna stack these curves on top of each other, and they're just gonna be a little bit smaller. So here, I'm gonna make a curve, the same shape, just a little bit smaller. So I'm making a smaller curve right on top, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the left side. And right in the middle of the whipped cream that we're making, we can make a little point. And from this point, I'm just gonna make one curved line that connects to here, and you could design it however you want. You can make it very loopy. I'm just gonna make it look like a slide, and I'm just gonna make one curved line that connects to this point. There we have the whipped cream. It looks so yummy. Let's continue and let's make the cherry. The cherry is gonna be inside of the whipped cream or sticked inside the whipped cream. So what we're gonna do is we could turn our paper a little bit and make a big or a curve like a rainbow. It's gonna look like a circle. The rest of the circle is just inside of the whipped cream. There we have our little cherry sticking out, and we can make the stem of the cherry. So I'm just gonna make a line that comes out that looks like a hook. And there's our cherry. We're almost there, guys. Let's make this cute little face now. So what we're gonna do is, right in the middle of the ice cream scoop, we're gonna make two circles for the eyes. So I'm gonna make a circle on the left side. And this circle, I left some space at the top, on the side, and the bottom. So it's just right in the middle. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space in between the two eyes. So I'm gonna leave some space here, and then I'm gonna draw the eye on the right. So there we have the eyes. We could do the details of the eyes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the eyes look to the left, and I'm just gonna make a curve as if I was gonna make a circle and just connect it to the other side of the eye. Kind of looks like a smiley face on the side. And we could do the same thing on the right eye. So there we have the eyes. Another little detail we could do is right at the bottom right corner, we could do a really small circle, just like that. And we could do the same thing on the right eye. So there we have the eyes. We could make little eyelashes for the eyes. It looks super cute. And for the eyelashes, all we're doing is making a curved line that goes up to the top of the ice cream cone. So here's one curved line, just like that. And I'm just gonna do two on each eye. Copy the same thing on the left eye. There we have some eyelashes, and let's make a cute little smile for the ice cream cone. So right in between the eyes, we're just gonna make a big smiley face. Our ice cream cone is super happy. I love it. We could also make some hot fudge. So right on top of the eyes, what we're gonna do is the same curves that we made for the ice cream, we'll do for the hot fudge. So I'm gonna start on this side of the head, and I'm just gonna make curves that go up and down. So here's one hill that goes down. We're gonna bring it back up, bring the hill back down, then go back up and down, and then I'm just gonna connect it to the other side of the ice cream cone. There's our hot fudge. And the last final detail we could do is the cone. So for the cone, we're just gonna make diagonal lines that go through the cone. So you can make them super skinny, you can make them thinner, it's really up to you guys. But I'm gonna start here, right at the bottom of this scoop of the ice cream, and I'm just gonna make a diagonal line that goes from the ice cream to the cone. I'm gonna leave some space, and on the little drip that I made, I'm gonna make another diagonal line that goes to the cone. I'll make one right at the tip of this ice cream to the cone, and I'm just gonna continue down the cone. And there we have it, guys, a super easy and super delicious ice cream cone. So grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's color it in. And there we have it, guys. There's our very, very delicious ice cream cone. As I was coloring it in, I used different colors for some sprinkles, and I just made little curved little lines all throughout it. I made it super colorful, but it looks very delicious, and I hope you guys had a fun time drawing this. I hope you guys found it easy, and then stay tuned for more cool drawings. Thank you guys, bye.